Welcome back, watch enthusiasts, to another exciting episode. Here we have a watch which I purchased from eBay for approximately £7. It didn't come with this leather strap. I bought that separately and that's arrived fairly recently. I think you agree it looks pretty smart with the watch. Now this watch is really quite an important watch in watch history. It's a Smiths Astrolon, and what we have is a timepiece that embodies innovation and resilience. The maintenance-free Smiths Astrolon watch is a story behind this remarkable watch, its revolutionary features and the reasons why it didn't take off due to the advent of quartz watches. The maintenance-free Smiths Astrolon watch was a true game changer in the world of horology. Developed in collaboration with Tissot, it featured a revolutionary movement. As you can see, the plastic movement there ticking away. It was made entirely of plastic. This Astrolon movement eliminated the need for traditional oiling and servicing, making it truly maintenance-free. Remarkably still working after all this time from the 1970s. Although it was advertised as not working, I found that it does work, although sometimes it doesn't want to wind. You have to kind of wind it in a certain manner, then it winds and then it's working perfectly. But this groundbreaking design not only reduced the cost associated with regular maintenance, but also offered an enhanced resistance to shocks and magnetic fields. The Astrolon movement was a testament to the relentless progress and technological advancement. Now you might be wondering how much this incredible timepiece would cost. Well, here's the catch. Due to the limited commercial success of the maintenance-free Smiths Astrolon watch, its availability in the market today is quite rare. However, for those lucky enough to find one, the price may vary based on factors such as condition, rarity, and historical significance. I myself have seen on Google that sometimes they are going for around £70–80 for a good condition one. This one that I restored, I managed to get a lot of the scratches out of the crystal, but as you can see there are still some scratches, and I cleaned up the case. It has a brushed stainless steel front with polished sides. Let's talk about the reasons why, despite its revolutionary features, the Astrolon, which didn't achieve the success it deserved, this unfortunate outcome can be attributed to the emergence of quartz watches such as the Seiko Chronos. This early Seiko Chronos from the late 1970s, early 80s is a fine example of an early quartz watch which caught on, and this watch, amongst other quartz watches from other manufacturers, took the world by storm, offering more accuracy than even the highest quality automatics and mechanical watches at the time, even including Rolex and Tudor. It's important to note that the Astrolon watch limited success doesn't diminish. Let's just zoom back there a bit. Doesn't diminish its significance. The watch represented a milestone in watchmaking collaboration, which its shared movement with Tissot watches showcasing the industry's commitment to innovation and excellence. I'll show you what this lovely looking watch looks like on my wrist with the new strap. And there on my 6.5-inch wrist, you can see that it's actually quite a smart looking watch. It's a shame about some of the scratches. It's keeping very good time. And once I can actually manage to get it wound, which sometimes it doesn't like it too much, it kind of jumps. It's got to the end of its wind now, I think. You can do a few winds and it's kind of jumping slightly, but it will last a long time on its wind once you do manage to get it there. Although the maintenance-free Astrolon watch may not have become as popular as it deserved, its legacy lives on. It stands as a symbol of resilience and the ever-evolving nature of the horology world. We hope that by exploring watches like the Astrolon, we can appreciate the craftsmanship, innovation, and the stories that they hold. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more watch-related content. Thank you guys. Take care.